Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil, and today's video we are showing you a little bit of an upgrade that we've carried out onto this particular car. It's a Lexus CT200H, and we've integrated in a fully integrated reversing camera into that factory screen. It is seamless integration, guys. As soon as you engage reverse, automatically on the factory screen, it comes up with a beautiful wide image of exactly what's behind you. In terms of what's actually involved on this install, it all gets done inside a day from our workshop facilities here in Cambridge. There's a module that basically sits behind the factory screen, full cable run in very safely, professionally done all the way to the back of the vehicle. This tailgate then splits to bits, and we then add in the reversing camera. The reversing camera itself is what's called a Pro Fit Wedge Camera, very discreet install, very nice looking, and it's seamless integration. Literally, there's nothing other than the actual camera on display on the system. So as soon as you engage reverse, automatically comes up with that image, plus retaining the front and rear factory parking sensors if you have them, and if you don't have the parking sensors, we can also add them as well. And they're the audible tone ones when we add the sensors onto these cars. So if you're interested in having this particular solution added onto your Lexus, make sure you get in contact with us. All of our details is in the description below. But thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.